Welcome to Global Market Insights, your market research partner. According to a report by GMI, the global precision farming market was valued at $10.5 billion United States dollars in 2024 and is estimated to register a CAGR of 11.5% between 2025 and 2034. The market will cross $30.4 billion United States dollars valuation by 2034, as per a report by Global Market Insights. The growing need for sustainable farming practices, increased investment in agricultural technologies, and demand for higher food production are some of the major industry growth drivers. Based on component, the hardware segment held a market share of over 55% in 2024. Based on farm size, the large farm segment held a market share of around 44% in 2024. Regionally, U.S. dominated the North America precision farming market with a major share of around 80% in 2024. Key players in the precision farming market include the following. Thank you for watching. Access the report by clicking on the link provided in the description. Don't miss out on valuable insights.